Hello, I'd like to talk to you about another powerful leadership and team development tool that helps you learn, grow, and transform as a leader. And that tool is called the DiSC. And the DiSC is one of the most powerful leadership and team tools in the world. That's right, another one of these powerful leadership tools. And with all powerful tools, there is a way to understand and learn how they work. And by learning the symbols of the DiSC, you really learn how it works and how it applies to you. The first symbol for the DiSC is that of a D. And a D in the DiSC instrument symbolizes dominance. And the reason it's so important to know what dominance is, it's how much you like to influence towards a target, towards a goal. Usually the D's are very dominant, very directive, and very goal-oriented. They really like to push forward towards a target. If a person is using D behavior, they are showing up almost like a risk taker, like someone that wants to really charge forward. And sometimes if they overuse that D behavior, it could come across as a little bit of aggressive. And if it is coming across as a little bit of aggressive or too assertive to people, generally they are not aware of it. And it is really important as leaders that we increase our awareness. The second symbol that helps us to understand this most powerful leadership tool is that of an I. And an I in this most powerful leadership tool symbolizes influencing. And influencers generally love to motivate, love to inspire, love to have passion around people. They're very social, they're very empathic, and they really love motivating and inspiring others to go towards a specific target. With an I, if they use too much influencing behavior, they may look at being, oh my God, that guy's not serious about anything, because they get excited over everything, okay? So how do we look at our influencing behavior where it's regulated, where it's enough for a certain situation and not too much overused in other situations? The third parameter that helps us to learn this most powerful leadership tool can be symbolized by steadiness, an S. A person that demonstrates steadiness is someone that steadily goes towards their target, and they do so without distraction. You can really give them assignment after assignment after assignment, and they're slowly and steadily moving towards that target. If you overuse or you use too much steadiness behavior, it looks like to the outside world that you're resisting change. And that's okay. The issue is to know when you're overdoing it so that other people can understand where you're coming from in terms of your approach. The last symbol that helps us understand this most powerful leadership tool can be symbolized by that of a C. And a C in this most powerful tool symbolizes critical thinking or conscientiousness. And with this critical thinking approach, we're very analytical, very specific, very process-oriented, very the details, the who, what, when, where, why, how many, and very methodical in terms of how they set up and approach something. If they overuse it, they could be viewed a lot of times as perfectionists and someone that doesn't like to have anything that isn't 100% perfect. Again, we're all blends of all of these. We all have dominance, we all have influence, we all have steadiness, and we all have conscientiousness. And the more insights that you have towards your behavior and how you show up, the more effective you're going to be as a leader. I look forward to hearing from you on how your DiSC results came out. Thank you so much.